Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, in a Cartesian coordinate system, we are talking about the normally axis x, y, and z axis with the unit vector ax along the x-axis, with the unit vector ay along the y-axis, with the unit vector of az along z-axis. Okay, and the parameters of x-axis, y-axis is lies between from minus in x-axis is lie between minus infinity to infinity, y lies between minus infinity to positive infinity, and z also minus infinity to infinity. Okay, so in the Cartesian coordinate system we can determine if there is xy axis, so we can determine the z axis. Means in a by a curl, okay, by a right hand thumb rule option, by using a right hand thumb rule we can determine the direction of an axis. Okay, so if we are just showing the hands, means fingers on the y-axis side, means here it is x-axis and this is y-axis, so z, so by curl of this it and the thumb shows the direction. Okay, so if x-axis, y-axis, so z will show here by a thumb rule. Okay, here if we are want to know about the direction of z, okay, and we have kept this fingers is like that and just curl about it, so z axis is shown to this here this side. Okay, so likewise, so in differential length we are talking about the coordinate axis, Cartesian coordinate. So what is the differential length for that? Suppose we kept a cuboid. Okay, for that, if we want to find out the differential length and we want to move a path a to c, so we can go from a to b, b to c. So here we know that it's showing a y, this is showing z, and here x-axis. So AC is equals to AB plus BC. So we are determining a differential length, so AC will denote as a DL is equals to dy a vector y plus dz a vector z. Similarly, we can write it, or we can go to that path also, AD plus DC, so it will be a same. Dz means here z axis, this is a y axis, so AD will be dz unit vector of az plus dy unit vector of ay. If we want to move AQ, so AQ, the path will be AB plus BC plus CQ here. So dy AY plus dz unit vector of AZ plus dx AX. So differential length can be write in a Cartesian coordinate system dx a unit vector x plus dy unit vector of ay plus dz vector of az. Okay, now we are talking about a differential surface. So in a differential surface we are talking one by one surface. We are taking a surface, means area ABCD. Okay, ABCD. So the direction of a surface will be, if we talking about ABCD, so there will be for the surface it's showing that this is y axis, this is z axis. Okay, so we will write it as a ABCD, for ABCD surface dy dz unit vector of AX. Okay, we are taking about a area, and ABCD means here's the y axis and z axis, there's not any x axis. So by writing a differential surface of Cartesian coordinate system, we are talking about the axis and taking a opposite unit vector. Okay, similarly we are talking about CQBS, means it's showing a surface of dx and dz. Okay, so dx into dz, the opposite will be unit vector ay, and for the PQDC, so this is a PQDC, the surface will be dx dy unit vector of az. And we know about the volume, here the x y z both will be taken as in differential form, dv is equals to dx dy dz. Now we are talking about cylindrical coordinate system. Now we are talking about a cylindrical coordinate system. We are taking a cylinder and making an axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. But here in the cylindrical coordinate system, we are taking a parameters rho, phi and z. Rho is a distance measured from a z-axis. Okay, this is a z-axis and we are taking measured from a z-axis like as a radius. Okay, so rho will be measured from z-axis, phi making an angle measured from x-axis in xy plane, or we will also known as this phi angle as an azimuthal angle. Okay, and there's a az, phi, rho and z. Okay, so for the range of parameters of rho, phi, z, the rho is lies between 0 to infinity and phi angle lies between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, it's making an angle, so it's making a 2 pi means 360 degree. From 0, this is our origin, so it will cover a whole, so it's making a 360 degrees. So the parameter lies between 0 to 2 pi, and z is lies between from plus infinity to minus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now relationship between the Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system. So in relationship between the Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system, we can determine as we are making a geometry of that. This is x, y, z. Okay, so by we know that phi angle makes on an xy plane, so it's making an angle. Here the perpendicular, this is a rho, we are taking a point P from where the coordinates are rho, phi and z. For this it's making a 90 degree on this axis. Okay, we will name as C dash, P dash. The symmetry of P is P dash. Okay, this is C and the symmetry of C is C dash. Now this is a rho, which is distance measured from origin. If we talk, we are finding out a relationship between the Cartesian and cylindrical system. Okay, so for that, this is cos phi is equals to x upon rho. We are okay, so base is rho upon, so we can write out x is equals to rho cos phi. Similarly, y is equals to rho sin phi, and z is same, so we can write it as similar, z is equals to z. So by squaring first, second and third, by squaring and adding first and second equation, we get it x square plus, so we can write it x square plus y square is equals to rho square cos square phi plus rho square sin square phi. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta gives you a 1. So x square plus y square is equals to rho square. We can find out as a rho in the form of relation with xy, means Cartesian. And if we dividing a equation second by first, okay, so we will got as y upon x is equals to rho sin phi, rho cos phi, rho cancel, it gives a tan phi. Y upon x is equals to tan phi, means phi is equals to tan inverse y upon x. We find out phi, rho and z is similar, so there is a relationship between, it's proved. Now we will write a differential length for this. Okay, if we are kept out some cube on this surface, we can find out a differential length. Okay, if we are going a path A to C, means AB plus BC. So AB axis shown here a Z and BC axis shown as a here AB plus BC. So AB is rho d phi, a unit vector of A phi, plus BC dz, unit vector of AZ. Okay, so we will write as differential d rho A rho plus rho d phi A plus dz AZ. Okay, it's making an angle rho d from here, because if we are talking about a differential, and differential means a small part, so this making a, we can find out arc, it's making a arc, so arc is equals to radius into angle, and we know the radius, that is rho, and angle phi. So rho d phi. Write out as an angle rho d phi a phi plus dz az. This is the differential length for the cylindrical coordinate system, and for the surface we are talking about. So the similarly rho d phi, opposite of that unit vector az, here is only rho and phi, so opposite vector will be z. Here the phi and z, so opposite vector will be rho, and here z and rho, opposite vector will be phi. And for the volume, differential volume will be write as d rho d phi dz, means rho we will write it in a correct form, rho d phi dz.